Hi, in this video I will show you how you can customize your email receipts and tracking notifications using the WebStarts store. Here we're looking at a receipt that I have as if I was a customer of my own store. You can see my logo is added to this nice looking receipt header, and then you can see all the information about the order. I also have included this on my tracking notifications. Let me show you what those look like. Here's a look at a tracking notification. Once again, my logo, nice looking header, and then all the information that the customer needs to track their order. Let me show you where you customize that in your WebStarts store. Once you're logged into your WebStarts account, go ahead and click on the Store Application panel while in the dashboard view. Next, click on the Settings tab. And then under General, there's a place to put your store name, email address, and phone number, and then your logo as well. Once you have uploaded a logo, like I've uploaded this all white one, so it's a little bit hard to see, just click Update, and then that will make updates and changes to everything that you need on your online store. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website. See more helpful videos like this.